Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Webull desktop options. First, you will need to open and fund your Webull account. After that, complete the options trading application to gain approval, which is a standard regulatory step. Webull offers commission-free trading for stock and exchange-traded fund options, making it cost-effective. Remember, you can also use the paper trading feature to practice your options strategies without risking any real capital, which is a fantastic learning tool. Once your account is ready, navigate to any stocks detail page on the Webull desktop platform. Here, you will find an Options tab. Click it to reveal the options chain. This chain displays all available contracts, organized by expiration dates, which can be as short as a few days or extend for several months. You will also see various strike prices. You can easily filter the chain to show only call options, put options, or both, helping you focus on your desired contracts. To place a trade, first select your chosen expiration date and strike price directly from the options chain. This action will open the order entry panel. It is generally recommended to use a limit order for options to control your entry price rather than a market order. Next, specify the number of contracts you wish to trade. Remember, one contract usually represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Finally, review all details carefully before confirming your order. After placing a trade, you can monitor all your active options positions in the dedicated positions widget on your desktop. To exit a trade, simply select the specific contract and choose the close position option. For effective risk management, you can set stop-loss orders to automatically close a position if it reaches a certain loss threshold. Conversely, use take-profit orders to lock in gains when your option reaches a predetermined profit target, helping you manage trades efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.